Hello friends, why struggle in a job that doesn't fit you when you can build a career that feels made for you? I am Dr. Nandkishor Mankar, a seasoned career counselor with more than 20 years of experience in guiding students and professionals toward the right career path. Your strengths define you. They shape how you think, work, and solve problems. Choosing a career based on your strength leads to career satisfaction, better performance, and long-term success. But how do you find them? Start with the aptitude assessments and personality tests, scientific tools that uncover your true potential. Next, ask mentors, teachers, and the colleges for feedback. Sometimes others see our strength better than we do. Once you know your strength, match them with career options. Love problem solving, engineering or data science may be for you. Creative thinker, explore creative fields, career advice. The right career is the one where your strength shines. A career aligned with your strength isn't just a job, it's your success story in the making. Discover your strength, unlock your potential, and turn your career dreams into reality. Follow for more career tips and insight. Success begins with the right step. Follow for the tips, call for the guidance, and share the impact. Thank you.